Ethiopia is the third largest economy in the sub-Saharan African countries, and its impressive trajectory positions it among the fastest economies in the region. Ethiopia's government, under the leadership of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, has embarked on a sweeping reform for the last 6 years. Ethiopia has now become an important destination for tourism and conference. Priority has been given by the government to agriculture, mining, manufacturing, tourism and digital economy. Ethiopia's comprehensive macroeconomic reforms have brought about fundamental changes. Tangible diplomatic successes was registered under challenging circumstances. The Corridor Development Initiative is transforming Ethiopia's national development by expanding urban infrastructure. Meddemer or Synergy is a new framework of thought promoted by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed with a view of expediting transformation in all aspects of the country, including social, political and economic development. Despite many man-made and natural challenges, internal and external pressures, Ethiopia is still shining. The ruling Prosperity Party will hold a second General Assembly from January 31st to February 2nd under the theme From Pledge to Acculturation. Catch up the latest development on Open Horn of Africa on various local and international languages.